It's 2025 already. Is Surfshark still worth using? In this Surfshark VPN review, I'll revisit security, performance, features, and pricing to figure out whether Surfshark is still on top of the game, or if you should look for an alternative. So let's start with security and privacy. Can you trust Surfshark VPN? To begin with, it uses the two best encryption standards, the classic AES 256 and the modern ChaCha 20. In terms of privacy, Surfshark keeps no logs, which has been proven with multiple audits. Furthermore, using RAM servers allows Surfshark to avoid any leaks, since these servers simply cannot hold on to any data passing through them. While the Netherlands is not an optimal location due to the country's involvement with the Nine Eyes Data Sharing Alliance, the measures I've just listed make up for it tenfold. Besides, Surfshark also remains unbreached to this day, further proving its dedication to security. So if you need a VPN to keep you and your data as safe as possible, Surfshark is great. And you can try it right now for a low price thanks to my Surfshark coupon. Just click the link in the description or scan this QR code to use the discount. Now, while this provider is great at baseline, advanced Surfshark features are what make it go even harder. For instance, it's one of the few providers to offer a dedicated antivirus add-on alongside a few other useful cybersecurity features. The combined forces of its secure engine, breach alert, and antivirus detection are definitely nothing to scoff at. While this package does come at a slightly higher price point, Surfshark's Clean Web feature is included on all plans. The name speaks for itself. Clean Web gets rid of malicious ads, pop-ups, and banners, and does a good job of it. On browser extensions, Clean Web's 2.0 version is even better, because it can detect malicious websites and alert me about them. Another useful feature is split tunneling, aka bypasser. I use it to specify which app should work with my VPN connection. This is great for streaming and torrenting, allowing me to hide only these activities behind a VPN tunnel. For those unsatisfied with general security, Dynamic Multi-Hop chains two servers in a row for double the encryption. While a lot of VPNs have this feature, most come with preset server combos, while Surfshark allows you to choose any of its servers as entrance or exit nodes. And all of those features don't make Surfshark VPN any harder to use. The interface is quite simple. In my experience, Surfshark is very easy to pick up thanks to many explanations written under every core feature. Now, VPNs are a popular tool for accessing streaming content, so is Surfshark good in that area? With over 3,200 servers in 100 countries, Surfshark lets me access most, if not all, major streaming platforms, even Indian ones. I'm telling you, Disney Plus Hotstar is worth checking out. The best part is that despite the distance to all those locations, Surfshark manages to keep reasonable speeds and produce high streaming quality. I've encountered minimal buffering or slowdowns even in distant locations like Japan. This kind of performance comes not only from having a lot of servers like I mentioned. No, Surfshark also employs a great tunneling protocol, WireGuard, that focuses on speed optimization and connection stability. Compared to other market options, Surfshark is one of the fastest providers. According to our testing, Surfshark VPN speed levels are second only to NordVPN, and even that speed difference is minimal. So we've seen Surfshark do well with streaming, but when it comes to VPNs, there are other applications that require fast performance too. For instance, torrenting. P2P file transfer is extremely dependent on internet speeds. So naturally, Surfshark comes in handy here too. My experience with torrenting using Surfshark has been really positive. Since it's supported across all servers, I don't have to look for a specific location. Plus, as I mentioned earlier, split tunneling helps a lot to separate my torrenting connections from everything else. Looking at all the benefits, you might think Surfshark would cost you a kidney and maybe half your spleen. So, is Surfshark VPN worth it? Well, it turns out Surfshark is one of the most affordable premium providers. Just putting it next to other popular options shows how much cheaper it is. And that even goes for the Surfshark One plan, which is the one I mentioned earlier that includes the antivirus. And remember, though most top providers have a device limit, not Surfshark. It's unlimited. And there's even a 30-day money-back guarantee for the unlikely case you change your mind. On top of all that, you have a great opportunity to get Surfshark with an amazing discount. Just scan this QR code or click the link in the description for the best deal. At the end of the day, Surfshark remains one of the most versatile and affordable best VPN providers in 2025. With tons of features, reliable security, and a second best performance, it's a powerhouse that's definitely worth trying out. If you have any questions about Surfshark, let me know in the comments below. And if you made it this far, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.